You're watching I Love I. We show you cool spots to eat. Today we're in Northridge and we're at the Galleria. It's a market, Korean market, and we're gonna show you this place called Gentle Chicks. Let's go. Alright, so we're here at Gentle Chicks. This place is new. They actually just did a soft opening. They're gonna announce when their grand opening is on their social media. We'll put all their information down below so that way you can check them out. They're known for the Korean fried chicken and also the Korean corn dogs. So let's check this out. They got different Korean flavors and all that stuff, but I want to try this corn dog first. So it's a little interesting because like they have like different ones. They got like a potato breading on one of them, mozzarella corn dog, cheddar cheese. They have like this whole tray of sugar, and I don't know if we can show it to you there, but they got this tray of sugar, and they'll like rotate the corn dog in it. I guess like people like their corn dog sweet, and then they give you like this honey mustard dipping. I'm a little curious how like sugar with corn dog tastes like. I got the sugar on the side. Oh, diabetes, here I come. Diabetes, here I come. We gotta get a good sugar coating on this shit. Look at that. My corn dog powdery. It's pretty weird because it's sweet and it's salty, and that breading's all crunchy. Let's try it with this honey mustard. They said it's pretty good. I guess the best way to describe it is like if a churro had a hot dog inside and you dipped it with honey mustard. That's the best way, but it's not my thing. It's a little too sweet. We got their wings right here, so you can get their wings in 4 different sizes. You get the small, medium, large, extra large, and they increase by increments of 6 after that. So we got the medium. We got 2 different flavors here. We got the soy garlic right here and the mango habanero. And of course you can ask them to make a little spicy if you want it spicy. If you guys haven't had Korean fried chicken is bomb. They don't give you ranch. They give you like radish and cabbage pickled, and then some pickles. So let's try this right here. Look at this thing. This thing looks pretty crispy. Good fried chicken is when you hear a crunch. All right, let's check this out. So this is their soy garlic. Oh, that's super crunchy. I like the breading they use on it. That's definitely a nice crunch. The crunch reminds me of like, you know, when like tempura's done right, like when you get that nice crunch on it. Oh, yeah, that chicken is moist. Let's try their mango habanero. This is a little more drenched. So as like the soy garlic is a little drier, this is a little more messy. Let's try this one. It doesn't seem like this one's as crunchy, just I guess because the glaze actually soaked into it. But this is a winner. Oh, that's super good. You know, I want to try this with this honey mustard. Oh, that was good. I mean, this is a pretty good amount of food, and the cool thing is I spent less than 20 bucks for all this, so I'm gonna I'll put all the information down below so that way you can find them. It's Gentle Chicks. Again, they're gonna have a grand opening soon. It's just their soft opening, but this is definitely a good spot to check out because there's not a lot of Korean fried chickens to mine in the valley. There's a lot in, you know, other parts of LA, but it's kind of cool. There's one right here at the market. I mean, there's different places you can eat, you know, but this is the one that stands to mind. So come check it out. Let us know what you think. Also, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button down below, and also the bell notification so you can watch more videos like this one. Share it with your family and friends because they'll love it. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.